Total 3 formula. First one is exchange, which is section 118 to 121. The formula for exchange requires twice E, meaning 2 people and 2 properties. The next alphabet is X, which means ex-partner, not satisfied with what the ex-partner got later in life. The next is C, which means Chor or thief, and its reliance or rights and liabilities. The next letter is H, which means in hand, and it's about the genuineness of money. Gift sections 122 to 127, gift formula, DP of PM and circle officer in security. DP means definition, and P means property, movable and immovable. Next is PM, where P means present, gift yes, and future, no, and DEM means multiple people accepted the gift, it's fine, but if one declined, this share will go back to the owner. Finally, it's quote or conditions for transfer and onerous gift. Actionable claims sections 130 to 132 start with the question of where and what. So, where means from the court, and what means unsecured loan. Next is advance notice, and finally, reduced amount.
Sale section 54 to 57, and remember formula, LIFRA or legal framework is section 54 and then section 55 or it becomes 10 or RRBS, and section 56 is 11 am when multiple people in office, and section 57 is closing time of 5 pm and picky from 5 means encumbrance. Remember difference between the sale and contract. For sale, sale is transfer of ownership, while in contract just an agreement. In sale, it passes an absolute interest to the purchaser, and in contract, it does not create any such interest. Sale must be evidenced by a registered document. And in contract it need not be registered at all. Next is mortgage and formula sum uncle DEA, which is 58B to 58G. Next is right to redeem or section 60, which is in 7 points. Mainly action 60, 60A, 60B and then 4 further, 61, 62, 63 and 64. The rule is buy at 60 and 60A is third party and 60B is RIP. Section 61 is Nadeem Shrawan, where S is 2 times and 62 is Yusuf and next 2 are X-ray. This is easiest formula to remember all of them. And case for PR is simpler, where P is perpetuity and formula is Red Donkey Shankar Lal, age 58 years old, but make it Hindi. The issue involved, whether the terms of a mortgage instrument can prevent the right to redeem the mortgaged property, and second case law. Next formula is Sani and age 99. Make it in 2. First, SA is Sampurn Singh and second is Niranjan Kaur. Here the issue is related with Oral Mortgage 1893 v Limitation Act 1963. However, the court held that the limitation period of 60 years began from the date of the mortgage in 1893, expiring in 1953. Since the suit for redemption was filed in 1980, it was deemed barred by time, and the appeal was dismissed.